This is a short video on how to create a GPSR template for eBay. So in this video, I'm going to do it through eBay Bag. If you don't know what eBay Bag is, this is a part of eBay and you can log in with the same eBay login, and this is for the international listings. So it will auto-translate to different languages, and it's completely free as well. So once you have logged in to eBay Mag, you have to go into policies over here, and then you will be able to see business policies and GPSR templates. And you can see there is an option to create a GPSR template. So you need to click on that. By the way, at this point, we assume that you already have a GPSR person in place as a representative. If you don't have it, there are a lot of companies who can do that for you. One of them is VAT AI, that's VAT, and there are Avars. There are plenty of companies. Okay, so you can give it a try on them, and it costs around $400 for the EU side per year. So that's something that you need to keep in mind. And once you have the details, you need to click create GPSR template, and you can name it, just for your reference, internal reference, and make sure that you do a color coding. So in this case, I'm just going to select this one. And the second is product manufacturer. So in this case, if you're a brand owner, that's you. You can put your details, company details, and the address. And the second thing is the GPSR person. That's the details that's been provided by that representative. So you can add that information over here. So if I click on it, you can see over here, the main thing is the email that you have to enter. The rest of them you have to enter, but the email is the main important thing. Anything happens, they will use that emails to contact eBay, for example. So once you have added all those information, you can move into the next one. That's product documents. Again, these are kind of instruction manual, for example, or safety or certificates or anything that you can upload it over here. And the last one is the product safety information. Again, here you can add, for example, let me show you. You can see if it's a CE or for not suitable for children. So whatever is that, you can just select it. And then once it's done, you can just click on save. Okay. And let me close this one. Once it's saved, you can go back and refresh the page and see if it's been reflected over here. If it's reflected, that's fantastic. That means it's all set. You are set on step one. The next step is to apply to the listing, individual listing. So let's take a listing. Let's assume that this listing on ebay.de, that's Germany. So let's go back to the listing. So we'll click revise that listing, and when you scroll down, there will be a section called item disclosures. So in here, you can see the manufacturer and the EU responsible person. Again, because you already have created the template, you can just drag and drop, select it from there and enable this option over here. And again, the safety information, as we discussed, the template, it's been added. So you can again enable that option from here, and that's it. And then you click save. That means your product is compliant with EU laws, for example. And what I have seen is that in a lot of cases, with Amazon or for eBay, they tend to suppress the listing. If you don't have this information, if you try to list it, it will be kind of shadow suppressed. So it's good to have this option and enable them. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. By the way, my name is Sebastian, founder of Retail-Outsource. We do have plenty of videos on eBay and Amazon. So please do check our channel. Thank you.